I'm making this little tutorial on a little program I found on GitHub that has tremendously helped me during this inflation. The program is called the JavaScript Front-Running Bot version 4. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description and a little link at the beginning of the video on where to go to get this program. So once you download the zip file, unzip it somewhere that's easy to find. I just did it right here on my desktop. You're going to have these files here. You're going to want to go to config.js. I'm using Windows. I right click on that. I go open with, and Notepad's just find open with, or any kind of text editor. The first thing you have to fill out is your Ethereum public address, is the address you would give someone for them to make payment to you, to Ethereum. And then you have to fill out the private key to that address so the program can actually access it and make trades for you. Now, if you have a wallet that doesn't give you easy access to your private key, like a hardware wallet, you can put your wallet seed in there, but you want to make sure you still put the public address that you want the program to utilize from your wallet seed, because in a wallet seed you can have multiple public addresses. So make sure you do that. If the wallet seed's not needed in there if you put in the private key to that address. For network, I just stayed with Ethereum. I didn't change the default, and I didn't change the default of the max spend. I left it at 0.5, and it seemed to work amazing. Now, I guess I haven't tried this. There's an optional thing where you can put the token address of I guess it'd be the contract address of the token, if you just want to front run a specific token. I did not mess with that. I just had the program do what it normally does. I didn't try to modify that. Oh, and I should say, you can actually change the network. If you didn't want to use Ethereum, you can change BNB or Polygon by changing right here. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video real quick and enter my settings so you can see what it looks like when it runs. Okay, so I entered my settings and I saved it. Make sure you save the file. Then I'm going to go to index.html. I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to right click. I'm going to go open with. I did all my testing in Firefox, but it should work in any kind of web browser. And it's going to start up right now. And this is my Ethereum balance now. It's been about a month of running this, and I went from 1.5 to 6.32. Just keeping this running in my browser. So it's been, and I'll show the status when it says no errors. That means everything's running. Now if it pops up an error or a warning, it'll pop down here how to fix it. And it just sits there and looks non-stop for a front running opportunity. And my max spend, yeah, should show right here at 0.5, and I just found a front run opportunity. Estimated profit at 6.5, attempting to capture, and it actually captured it for a higher profit range of 7.3. And you can see that was the balance was actually added to my wallet balance. That's awesome that it actually got it during this video, so you can see what it looks like when it actually captures it. And it just keeps on going from there. It doesn't stop or nothing, it just keeps on going, looking for more and more. So this has really helped me with my grocery bill, my savings, and I hope I can help you. And please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe for more tutorials.